Alright, the instructions had to place, and showed how this little guy went together. On these guys, but seeing as we're not using the single head unit, I'll put those somewhere else. And this is the stuff for the dual head unit. And it didn't really illustrate how these things were supposed to go in. So I'm just going to take a look at it here. Yeah. Well, it looks about right. I want to drop it down in there though until I take my plastic off. Well, that actually looks like that's going to go a little more painlessly than I expected. Thought that was going to be a little bit more difficult to figure that out. Lucky for me, it wasn't. Just wish I had fingernails, or a knife, or something else that can get this plastic off easier. There we go. Okay. That. Just going to go right down here. I guess this is some kind of spacer. Get that out of the way, little fella. I guess you are. Good. Still works good. Go through and hand tighten these things one more time since it's been sitting here for about an hour. But I don't want to go any tighter than finger tight. Whoops, that's going to smash right into the rig. Good. That works nice. Now we'll go on to the next page, which unfortunately looks like it's going to be sort of winging it because I can't really see the images here. I think I'm going to have to go onto the computer. These images are really small. So I had these parts laid out. That's these guys here. Not really sure where they're going because the illustration doesn't show it well. So I think it's going to be a fine case back to the computer. Yep, go well. I'll be back.